Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has gained 2.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX transitioned sharply into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.8% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI moved into the positive zone. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator has shifted into the overbought zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The ROC has skyrocketed into the positive area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The U.S. dollar index seems poised to climb on escalating U.S.-China tensions after Beijing asks for the closure of the U.S. consulate in Chengdu. Financial services leader MasterCard has announced details of its MasterCard Accelerate program aimed at supporting the burgeoning crypto trend. McDonald's said it would require customers to wear face masks in its U.S. restaurants starting next month as new coronavirus cases surge across the country.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. Red Book will be released at 12:55 GMT. The U.S. CB Consumer Confidence at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Richmond Services Index at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Dallas Fed Services Revenues at 1430 GMT. The U.S. API Weekly Crude Oil Stock at 2030 GMT, and the UK BRC like-for-like retail sales at 2301 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.